Here I've got Wileyfox Spark Plus, and let me show you how to set up the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to use your device in, and then click on Next. It's time to select the Wi-Fi that you would like to connect with. It's mine and it's already connected, so click on Next. Now you can insert your SIM card, but you can also do it later, so let me skip it for now. Here you can create your ID if you want to, or if you have one, just add it, but I will skip it for now. You can also do it later. I know it's worth using, but we can log in here later on. Then here you can protect your phone by adding the PIN code, pattern, or the password. I will skip it for now, but definitely I will do it later on through the settings. Here you have to come along with privacy policy and agree with the terms and click on Next. Now you can select some particular options. For example, app may use your approximate location to locate nearby coffee shops. Sounds good, so click on Next. Finally, you can set date and time. So let me select here the region, current date, and also current time. Click on OK and then tap on Next. And as you can see, just click on Start. And within a few seconds, you'll be able to use your device. So that's it. Here you've got some instructions, and you can now change the wallpaper, add some contacts, and add the lock screen and whatever you want to do with. Just enjoy your phone, have fun. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.